years ago. However, I have been using the caulk gun for probably at least about the last 10. But however, this baby was expensive. I purchased this one at Home Depot. It was about $27, but it comes with a lot of great attachments compared to your standard caulk gun. However, this one's beautiful. You see, this has a release right here that you push, and then it allows you to remove the lever up and down. The previous old caulk that I was just using, but today I've actually just removed old caulk in the grout corners and everything. So I've been scraping, cleaning, doing all that jazz for my beautiful wife, and so today I'm actually going to teach you guys how to use a caulk gun. So I push a Dabcock 3.0 Advanced Hybrid Sealant. It's primarily used for seams, cracks, corrosion safe for grout and marble, and lifetime guarantee, which is right there. And also it's for kitchen and bathroom plumbing, which that's what I'm going to be doing today. But I'm teaching you guys how to use a caulk gun. The great addition about this caulk gun is it's a patent under the US and USP 6908001